Hey, this is Lou. We got a nice set here for you. It's a snowblower, a lawnmower, and a hedge trimmer. We're going to get this started so you can see that they're running. There's the snowblower. See that guy cranking just as it should. It's driving. Going in reverse just as it should. Nice running, tuned up, ready to go, ready for years of service, reliable. Craftsman snowblower, 24-inch cutting area with a 6.5 horsepower engine. Troy-Bilt, horsepower, 6.75 horsepower lawnmower.
Get the
primer it, yeah, hit the primer. Original owner's manual. It's got a little patina on the surface, large rear wheels. It has the side chute attachment, rear wheel bag, or it can mulch, front wheel drive. This is just a hedge trimmer. It's electric. Works well. Could use a blade pretty soon. Anyway, this is a nice set. We'll take some pictures, send a message if you have any questions. Thanks. Bye.